So in my opinion, this is something that Ford should just automatically have on the truck, especially when you're spending $70,000, $80,000 on a truck. So in today's video, you guys, we're gonna be swapping out these black tow hooks for these Ford orange, the Tremor orange square tow hooks that sort of mimic the Raptor R, the red tow hooks that come on the Raptor R. And these are nicely powder coated and you know, fairly simple video for you guys today. I believe they're gonna fit on most F-150s. If you're interested in doing this to your standard F-150, getting these bad boys put on. You know, don't take my word for it, but do a little bit of research yourself and pick yourself up a set of these from your local Ford dealership and slap them on your truck if that's something that you want to do. Now, before I get started, I figure I'd let you guys know I'm trying a different way of shooting the video today. We're gonna do a POV. I got the DJI Action Pro mounted on my head, and I just kind of want to try something a little bit different today. So let me know in the comments after this video is done what you guys think of the video and the sort of style of shooting versus, you know, setting up a camera a million different ways while trying to do these videos for you guys. And I won't really know how the footage is until I edit it, and then maybe I'll decide not to do this again, but we'll see how it all turns out. So first things first, you guys, I have a Tremor, so I'm gonna have the skid plate, and I'm gonna want to remove this skid plate so I can access the bolts in here to pull out the OEM tow hooks. So I got 2 bolts here, 2 bolts on that side, and then 1 bolt right here, if you can see that, and 1 bolt over here as well. So I'm gonna hit these with a 13 mil socket and quickly get the skid plate taken off here. These are going to be a 15 mil socket. Just like that. So let's grab our first hook, and I don't think this is side bias, so I don't think it matters which one you grab. All right, let's put this on. And just like that, it's that easy. Now, will I have to modify this to make it all work? I'm not too sure. We may need to cut this out a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see what we're left with here. So what we'll do to keep this as clean as possible is I'm going to use my box cutter knife here and just run it along the... So maybe we'll start with that and we'll see where that gets us. They're not going in very nicely, and maybe I can do some more trimming, but I think we're just gonna get the other tow hook, we'll put the skid plate back on, and if it looks horrible and just sort of out of place, then we'll get these dialed in and get these back into place. But at the end of the day, I think these are just much too large and can't compensate for these right here. So, I mean, look at the size difference. Like it's pretty substantial, right? These are super beefy. So maybe once we get the skid plate on, it won't even look that bad. Only time will tell. I'm gonna grab my breaker bar just to get a little bit more leverage. I'm sure I can pull up my torque wrench, but I think some good hand tight is good enough. That's good there. All right, let's get the skid plate back on and we'll see what it looks like. what a difference these make, you guys. They look fantastic on the truck. Like I said, Ford should just do it for factory, but then again, it's just another mod you can do to your truck to help it stand out from the rest. Very, very happy with how these turned out. And with not having that rubber trim in here, it's really not that big of a deal. You don't really notice it. If you didn't tell anyone that there used to be a trim here, no one would know. It looks like it suits the truck very well, and that definitely looks like it belongs. So very, very happy with that. And like I said earlier in the video, this might fit your standard F-150 because the bolt pattern is the same. It's just whether or not this width will fit in your sort of pocket where your factory tow hook is. So if that's something you guys want to do to your standard F-150, if it's not a Tremor, make sure you guys do your research. If you want and you are curious to install this, guys, I will pull a measurement on these to get the width to see if they would work for your application. But like I said, very happy with them. And overall, they match this orange fairly well. So just overall, it looks very good on the front end. Very, very happy with it. And that'll basically do it for this video, you guys. Nice and short one for you today. And such an easy mod that just goes a long way for the Tremors. So very, very happy with it. If you have any questions, any concerns, make sure you guys comment below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.